Good morning, class 12. Dear student, topic differential equation. The question is solve the initial value problem. It is x dy over dx sin y upon x plus x minus y sin y upon x equal to 0. And here, when x equal to 1, then value of y is pi by 2. See the solution. Dear student, first of all, we will write the equation in terms of dy over dx. So, dy over dx is equal to minus x plus y sin y upon x divided by x sin y upon x. Dear student, here degree of numerator equal to degree of denominator. See, it is 1, it is 1, it is 1. So it is homogeneous differential equation. Degree of numerator equal to degree of denominator. Therefore, it is homogeneous differential equation, and its substitution is y equal to bx, where v is a variable. So dy over dx v as it is, apply the product rule, x is 1 plus x as it is, and it is dv over dx. Therefore, equation take the form dy over dx is v plus x dv over dx is equal to, take minus sign common out, so it is x minus y equal to bx sin of b, y upon x is b divided by x sin of b. Then x is common and cancel out, so it is minus 1 minus b sin b upon sin b. Now we will shift b to the right hand side, then we will separate the variables. So, x dv over dx equal to minus v plus minus b minus 1 minus b sin b upon sin b. We will take the LCM. It is sin b, it is minus b sin b minus 1 plus v sin b. Dear student, here b sin b cancel out. Then we will separate the variable. It is sin b dv equal to minus dx upon x. Now we will integrate both sides. So integration sin b dv equal to minus dx upon x. Integration of sin b is minus cos b equal to minus log x, and it is plus c. Here minus sign is common and cancel out. So cos b equal to log x minus c. Given condition, initial value. Now here b equal to y upon x. So it is cos y upon x equal to log x minus c. Now applying the initial condition, when x equal to 1, then y equal to pi by 2. So it is cos pi by 2 x is 1 equal to log 1. Log 1 is 0 minus c. So 0 minus 0 minus c. From this we will get c equal to 0. Therefore, solution of the equation, it is cos y upon x equal to log x. Or we can write y upon x is cos inverse log x, and y equal to x cos inverse log x. This is the solution of given differential equation. Now the next question is x e power y upon x minus by sin y upon x plus x dy over dx sin y upon x equal to 0. Here when x equal to 1 and y equal to 0. So let us find dy over dx. So here dy over dx equal to by sin y upon x minus x e power y upon x divided by x sin y upon x. Dear student, it is again homogeneous differential equation since degree of numerator equal to degree of it is 1. This term is not having any degree. This is also not having any degree. So we will put y equal to bx and dy over dx equal to v plus x dv over dx. Therefore, it is v plus x dv over dx is equal to v equal to y equal to vx. Sin of y upon x is v minus x e power b divided by x sin b. Now we will separate the terms. So it is simple v minus x cancel e power b upon sin. This side b plus x dv over dx. Dear student, here b cancel out. So it is sin b into e power b. Sin b into e power minus b dv equal to minus dx upon x. Dear student, now we will find the integration of e power minus b sin b. Let it is I. Dear student, this is the integration of the by part. So apply the by part here. So according to I let t is the trigonometrical term. Let it is the first function. And this is the second function. So sin b as it is, integration of e power minus b is e power minus b upon minus integration. Derivative of sin b is cos b. Then integration of e power minus b is minus e power b minus b dv. Now we will integrate it further. So it is minus sin b e power minus b minus plus, then integration of e power minus b cos b dv. Then it is minus sin b e power minus b plus again by part. So here first function is cos b. second function is e power minus b, so it is minus e power minus b minus integration. Derivative of cos b is minus sin b. Integration of e power minus b is minus e power minus b db. Then it is e power minus b common, so it is cos b plus sin b. There is minus I, it is minus 3 minus, so it is minus, and e power minus b sin b becomes I, so it is 2i equal to minus e power minus b, then it is cos b plus sin. So value of I, it is I equal to minus e power minus b upon 2 cos b plus sin b. So when we solve this differential equation, so this is the value of integration. Therefore, integration e power minus b sin b db equal to minus integration dx upon x. We will integrate integration 1. Now its value is minus e power minus b, it is cos b plus sin b upon 2 is equal to minus log x plus c. V equal to y upon x, so minus e power minus y upon x upon 2, it is cos y upon x plus sin y upon x equal to minus log x plus c. Now here x equal to 1 and y equal to 0, so it is minus e power 0 upon 2 cos 0 is 1 plus sin 0 is 0 minus log 1, it is also 0 plus c. Therefore minus 1 by 2, it is 1 equal to minus, it is 0 plus c. So value of c is minus 1 by 2. Therefore differential equation becomes, solution of the differential equation is it is minus 1 by 2 e की power minus y upon x cos y upon x plus sin y upon x is equal to minus log x and c is minus 1 by 2. So here minus sign is common and cancel off. So final answer e power minus y upon x bracket cos y upon x plus sin y upon x is, we will multiply whole equation by 2, so it is 2 log x plus 1. We can also write it is log x square. So this is the solution of given differential equation or it is initial value problem.